This video will demonstrate how to purchase Bitcoin and Ethereum using Gemini. Start by navigating to Gemini.com and creating an account. You'll be asked to prove your identity by providing your driver's license or ID card. You'll only be able to purchase tokens once your account and identity have been verified. This process usually takes Gemini about a week. You will also be asked to link a bank account. Once you've been verified, you can now deposit currency into Gemini. Choosing a bank transfer will allow you to purchase immediately, but will place a temporary hold on your withdrawals until Gemini has finished processing your transaction. A wire transfer will usually take less than 24 hours, and funds will be available as soon as the wire is completed. There are no holds on withdrawals with wire transfers, but the process will involve contacting your bank directly. Click the Buy tab and select the currency you wish to purchase. Enter your desired amount and select your order type. The order type is set to limit order by default. A limit order will be filled at or better than your set price. For more information on other order types, check the description below. To sell Ethereum or Bitcoin for USD, select the Sell tab and choose which cryptocurrency you wish to sell. Enter the amount and order type. To make a withdrawal, click Transfer Funds and select the withdrawal type. Enter a destination address and the amount you wish to send. When sending Bitcoin or Ethereum, one mistyped character will result in the loss of your entire transfer. It is recommended to always copy and paste addresses, not to include spaces, and always double check. This has been Digital Asset Tutorials. Thanks for watching.